How to fix the issue where your Windows 11 laptop is not turning on. So whether you see a black screen or just no powers go into your laptop altogether, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is just go and disconnect any cables going to your laptop. This could be USB cables and also the charging cable as well. Once everything's disconnected, we need to hold down the power button for 45 seconds. So let's go and do this together now. We're just going to hold this button down, and even if you don't see anything on the screen, just continue to hold this down for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, you can then go and release this button. You can try turning on your laptop and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, you may need to go and disconnect the battery from the back of the laptop. Now, sometimes the battery is easy to remove, and other times you'll need to go and remove the back of your laptop. You could then just go and disconnect the battery. You can then wait around 30 seconds and go and reconnect the battery. Once everything's reconnected, you should then be able to turn on your laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.